Hi and Assalamualaikum to Dr. Iziai as our lecturer of Business Mathematics. I'm Nashahira Aslim binti Kamsrasli and my metric number 81A3354. Now I will present the introduction. The arithmetic utilized by commercial business to track and manage business activities is known as business mathematics. The objective of the study: first, to understand the fundamental mathematical concept. Second, how to compute wages, loan interest, monthly compound depreciation of fixed assets, promissory notes, and other aspects of business operations. Third is to record the business with accurate value. And the last one is be able to use the right skill in various transactions, such as recording depreciation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Ajra bin Zulkifli and my metric number is H1A2970. I will present about question number 1. So what is company information? Name of the company is Thelecatches Casualwear. In the address is number 3, Kawasan Perindustrian, Pengkalan Jeper, 60,100 Pengkalan Jeper, Kelantan. And this owner is Nurul Ajra bin Zulkifli, and the date of establishment is 1st June 2021, and the type of business is partnership. So look at this table. This company have 30 employees and hourly work for all employees is 40 hours. But hourly pay varies by department. For example, general manager, hourly pay is 20 ringgit. Financial manager, hourly pay is 80 ringgit. R&D department, hourly pay is 14 ringgit and 40 cents. Human resources, hourly pay is 15. Operation department, hourly pay is 13 ringgit and 18 cents. Marketing department, hourly pay is 30 ringgit. Sales department, hourly pay is 30 ringgit. Facilities department, hourly pay is 12 ringgit and 15 cents. And last one is customer service, hourly pay is 12 ringgit. So the totality of the hourly work per week is 520, while hourly pay to all employees is 183 ringgit and 15 cents. Payroll report. So look this table, which is the payroll report for all employees. 1. Muhammad Haikal Irwan bin Wan Nasru. As a general manager, he had a regular pay and the totally gross pay is 800 ringgit. Nur Shahira Azlin binti Kamsrasli. As a financial manager, she had a regular pay and the totally gross pay is 720 ringgit. Nur Shakirah Najwa binti Zahuri. As a R&D department, she had a regular pay plus overtime pay and the totally gross pay is 720 ringgit. Siti Maisarah binti Mustafa. As a human resources, she had a regular pay and the totally gross pay is 600 ringgit. Nur Sajidah binti Nur Sariman. As operation manager, she had a regular pay plus overtime pay plus piece work earning and the totally gross pay is 2,097 ringgit and 16 sen. Siti Nofarida binti Ahmad Mahmud as Operation Management. She had a regular pay plus overtime pay plus piecework earning, and the total of gross pay is 1,490 ringgit 40 sen. Muhammad Irfan Izani as a marketing department. He had a regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission pay, and the total of gross pay is 5,689 ringgit. Nik Muhammad Syahmi bin Nik Lokman as marketing department. He had a regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission, and the total of gross pay is 2,098 ringgit. Adela Kaisara binti Mohta as a sales department. She had a regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission, and the total of gross pay is 5,476 ringgit. Masha Fatimah binti Nordin as a sales department. She had a regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission, and the total of gross pay is 4,463 ringgit. Lim Chongwei as facility department. He had a regular pay plus overtime pay, and the total of gross pay is 600 ringgit. Muhammad Khalish Farhan bin Kamal as customer service department. He had a regular pay plus overtime pay, and the total of gross pay is 624 ringgit. And last one is Zafira Ariana binti Kamarul Saidi as a customer service department. She had a regular pay plus overtime pay, and the total of gross pay is 612 ringgit. So the total of the payroll report of all the employees is 25,990 ringgit Malaysian. As you know, as overtime rate is 2.0.
How to calculate regular pay? Regular pay equal hourly rate multiply regular hours. For example, Wan Muhammad Haikal Irwan bin Wan Nasru as a general manager had regular hour 40 and paid 20 ringgit. The total is 800 ringgit. Next is Nur Syahira Azli as a finance manager. The total is 720 ringgit. Next is Nur Syakira Najwa as a R&D department. The total is 576 ringgit. Next is Siti Maisara as a human resource. The total is 600. Next is Nur Sajida and Siti Nofarida as a operation management. The total is 552 ringgit. Next is Muhammad Irfan and Nik Muhammad Syahmi as a marketing department. The total is 552 ringgit. Next is Adila Kaisara and Masha Fatimah as a sales department. The total of regular pay is 520 ringgit. Next is Lee Chong Wei as a facility department. The total is 500 ringgit. Next is Muhammad Khalish and Zafina Ariana as a customer service department. The total is 580 ringgit. How to calculate overtime pay? Overtime pay equal overtime rate multiply overtime hours work. For example, Nur Syakira Najwa binti Zahuri as a R&D department, 40 ringgit 40 sen multiply 2 ringgit is an overtime rate. Multiply 5 hours is an overtime hours, and total is 144 ringgit. Next is Nur Sajida and Siti Farida as an operation department. Nur Sajida, the total is 165 ringgit. Siti Farida, the total is 110 ringgit. Next is Muhammad Irfan and Nik Muhammad Syami as a marketing department. The total of Irfan is RM169. The total for Nik Muhammad Syami is RM78. Next is Adila Kaisara and Masya Fatima as a sales department. The total of Adila Kaisara is RM156 and Masya, the total is RM143. Next is Ling Chowi as a facility department. The total is RM100. Next is Muhammad Khalish and Zafina Ariana as a customer service. Muhammad Khalish, the total of overtime pay is RM144. Next is commission. Calculate for commission is commission equal total sales multiply commission rate. For example, Muhammad Irfan is a marketing department who is receive 10% of his total sales as commission and the sales total during a given week RM50,000. So RM50,000 multiply 10%, we get RM5,000. Next is Nik Muhammad Syahmi, RM50,000 for Nik sales multiply 10% for straight commission. The total is RM1,500. Next is Adila Kaisara, RM48,000 for total sales multiply 10% for receive a commission, and the total is RM4,800. Next is Masya Fatima, RM38,000 is for total sales and multiply 10% for straight commission, and the total is RM3,800. Next is gross pay. Gross pay equal regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission and plus piecework earning. For example, Muhammad Haikal Irwan bin Wan Nasrul as a general manager. Gross pay equal regular pay, so the total is RM800. Next is Nur Syahira Azli as a financial manager. Gross pay equal regular pay, the total is RM720. Next is Nur Syakira Najwa as a R&D department. Gross pay equal regular pay plus overtime pay, so the total is RM720. Next is Siti Maisarah binti Mustafa as a human resource. Gross pay equal regular pay, so the total is RM600. Next is operation department. Is for Nur Sajida and Siti Nur Farida. Nur Sajida gross pay equal regular pay plus overtime pay plus piecework earning. Total is RM2,097.66, while Farida get RM1,490.46. Next is Muhammad Irfan and Nik Muhammad Syahmi as a marketing department. Muhammad Irfan gross pay equal regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission, and the total is RM5,689. While Syahmi gross pay equal regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission, and the total is RM2,098. Next is Adila Kaisara and Masya Fatima as a sales department. Adila Kaisara gross pay equal regular pay plus overtime pay and commission. The total is RM5,476.
My name is Siti Maisarah binti Mustafa and my metric number is A1A3086. I will present about question 2. Estimate the company needed in outclosing store to start a business. For the description is RM 50,000. For the description for the loan from relative to the amount, interest rate, time period, interest amount, your future value is RM 12,000, 2.5%, 18 month, RM 450, and RM 12,000 for 450 respectively. Finally, for bank XYZ is the amount of the RM 20,000, 3.5% compound semi-annually for interest rate. While for time period, your interest amount future value is 5 years and 3,788.89 and RM 36,788 88.89 respectively. Last but not least is promissory note for loan. The market of them note is Siti Maisarah, while the payer of the note is Nurul Atira, and the maturity is RM 12,000, 58.33. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Murshadidah binti Zariman. My number matric is A21A2887. I will tell you about question B. For question 3A, the item of machine that we use for our company is CCTV, where the quantity that we have is one set and have seat unit into it, which the price per item is 1,500. Second, we have washing machine, where the quantity that we have is seat unit, which is the price per item is 5,000. Third, we have dryer machine, which is the quantity that we have is 4 unit, which is the price per item is 4,000 ringgit Malaysia. Next, we have one drum machine, and the price per item for the machine is 7,000 ringgit Malaysia. While we also have two fans, which is the price per item is 200 ringgit Malaysia. And this is the formula that we use to calculate for question 3 for B. The formula is include first is annual rate of depreciation, second is depreciation of certain year, and third is accumulate depreciation up to n years. For question B1, the formula that I tell before this is to use for this question. As you can see, we use the formula to find for question B1. declining balance method, when we use the formula, we can find how to calculate the annual depreciation to date, and book value at end of year. The number in this table show how we use the formula to calculate it. For question 3b2, same like question A1, we use the formula to find the annual depreciation to date, and book value. And yes, the number in this table is how we use the formula to find or to calculate the number. This question 3 for C is for this question we need to use invoice to calculate how much our company need to pay the supplier. The invoice is 12,000 ringgit Malaysia, and for 30 March, company need to pay the supplier is 11,160 ringgit Malaysia. While 5 April, company need to pay 11,400 ringgit Malaysia. So the total that our company need to pay the supplier is 22,560 ringgit Malaysia.
Hi, my name is Ina Shakan Zawi. I will answer the last question, which is question 4. The first question is calculate the monthly payment. The first step, we need to calculate the future value. The formula is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I power of N. Insert the numbers and the answer is 47,867 and 92 cents. Next, we need to calculate interest amount. I equals to S minus P. Insert all the amounts and the answer is RM 24,079 and 3 cents. List down all the answers that we got and insert in this formula. The formula is A equals to P in bracket I over 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power of N. The monthly payment is RM 2,047 and 42 cents. Next, we move on to the question B. We need to prepare the amortization schedule. I will show the step how to calculate for the first month. First step, find interest paid. The formula is 1 equals to PRT. Second step is find the principal paid, A minus I. Third step is calculate the ending balance, which is beginning balance minus principal paid. Fourth step is total paid, total paid plus monthly payment. Fifth step is calculate the total in interest paid, the interest plus interest paid. The final step is to find
the principal paid. Total principal paid plus principal paid. And the calculation is as follows for the next month.
The study main finding is that it is possible to learn how to calculate the hourly work per week, hourly rate, normal hours, extra hours, regular pay, overtime, commission, peaceful earning, and gross pay in order to create a salary report. As a result, be aware of kinds of data that must be included in the compensation report as well as to weigh each of the data points. Next, be able to determine the bank loan amount and use the percentage of the time period supply to calculate the interest and future value. Third, the business must pay the invoice on the designated date after receiving it. And the last one is able to practice math in company. Activities include simple math such as paying employees, tracking our time, and so on. So that's all from us. Thank you.